If you ever feel like you need to perform routine maintenance on your Kalos Probiotic misting wand, we will need two things first: a clean cotton tip swab and a dry empty tank. Access the parts that need to be cleaned through the back door. We will access the tank by removing the silicone plug from the fill hole and insert the clean cotton swab into the fill hole. By pulling on the cotton tip swab, the tank will release from the unit. At this time, we can use that cotton tip swab to clean the metal disc that you will see now exposed in the Kalos Probiotic misting wand. This is the nano filter. Proceed using the other side of a cotton tip swab or a brand new cotton tip swab to clean the inside of the tank and around the fill hole and the filter access port. After you finish the cleaning process, gently insert the tank back into the unit. You can then fill the unit back up with probiotic misting fluid and continue using the unit as prescribed.